I'm Audrey Kolski. I'm a consultant in API product management. I started as a developer developing APIs a bit before they were called APIs. They were web services at the time. And then I worked in pre-sales management. So I had a definite set of APIs, of payment APIs, and we were creating partnerships with e-commerce businesses. With those set of APIs. And then I worked in the music industry, still around APIs, creating partnerships thanks to music and subscription APIs. In my work, I've had several responsibilities. Being a product manager for APIs, of course, so designing, creating, developing APIs, but also selling those APIs and creating partnerships, creating values for partners to convince them to integrate the APIs and create new services. Sometimes either we forget that APIs are a product and that we need to keep making them evolve, or we forget a bit the charge that it is to sell those APIs and to maintain the partnerships and to create successes with the partnerships. Everybody can be a solid partner. That's what's great with APIs. Even if you started with a first use case, a first story, a first type of partners, I see APIs as a toolbox, and you can use a toolbox to maintain any kind of objects. What I would love people to be more aware of is that to be a product manager for APIs, you need to have not to be a former developer, but to have a good understanding of how two systems are going to work together. A little bit of technique is necessary to be a product manager. It's not enough to just create a service, create added value, and put it outside to the world. You also need a lot of efforts to keep it running and to create successful partnerships and to create value. What I think is really important around APIs is the documentation, how we communicate about the APIs to the public. Technical writing is really a whole world that I'm really wanting to discover more. And I think these roles are starting to develop more and more in every companies.